Okay guys, so today we're making a Nigerian breakfast. My wife also, no food she don't know how to make. She make all food, both Russian, Israel, Belarus, Nigeria. This is plantain, huh? Another part of Nigerian breakfast. So we're mixing Russian food or Israel food with Nigerian food. A lot of plantains, baby. Hey, look at it here. You see? Now we're putting these ones inside fridge. I was about to make the arrangement before we started to make a photo and camera of this. And we still have our Russian something over there. That's Israel bread over there. And this is plantain. All prepared by my wife. Thank you, baby. To the Araba.
Welcome, honey.
You see? So that is it, guys. That is how we roll here. You know. This one is already ready. Babe, I love this so much. The one you made yesterday. It was so good.
I'm happy, baby, if you love it.
And look at these ones. I hope you don't fat me up before you go back. Huh? What do you want to put on these ones?
Mayonnaise and this meat.
Okay, you see? Preparing breakfast. Exactly. And you know what is exactly? When you bring egg and exactly put together, that is exactly. You know? Can I help to stir this? We work together here to prepare breakfast. By the time I finish learning from my wife how to prepare breakfast, I will be preparing continental dishes. Because I already know how to make some food in Nigerian, and my wife is now giving me some ideas on how to make Israel food and Russian food. That is the beauty of interracial marriage. Okay, that's the meat there. We told you guys that. You see, she cut from there and she puts here. Very delicious meat. You see this? Very, very, very delicious. You see? Good. You see? Yes. You see? Very great. Maybe like this is okay. Alright? Or you want it to be more brown?
I think we should be doing it. Use it for something. Yeah.
Okay. You see? Both of us. Wait, put your hand here. Put your hand. I want to make a photo. Good. To the Araba.